So today was a big day for me. Jenny Lynn Presents P.T. Barnum made its European debut at the Laubegg Castle in Austria. Wow, is all I can say. Such an amazing experience. I hope I can remember how good I feel right now for the rest of my life. It was really great. The energy in the room, I felt good about my performance, and I had a lot of fun. Sharing a story about a woman who is so strong in her convictions, standing up to the patriarchy, and people got it, and that was really great too. I also want to add, there are roughly 14 plus countries represented in this castle right now of artists, multidisciplinary, and getting to share my show on this international level is a once in a lifetime opportunity. And it was, I don't know how to describe it. It's, the audience, you could just feel the energy and you could hear a pin drop. I got a standing ovation, which felt really beautiful too. And my colleague, Michelle Crouch, my gosh, she can play, she can direct, teach, what can't she do? And led a very eloquent talk back about vocational crises. And that was awesome.